Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, why is the www version of your website not showing up when you type it in the search bar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want the www version of your website to show up anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you have a website, you know that some of your website users are going to type in www your website, like www.amazon.com. Others are just going to simply type in amazon.com. But if you don't set up the domain correctly, or the DNS, then when someone types in www.yourwebsite.com, it's not going to load. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled in your domain provider. So this could be GoDaddy, it could be Bluehost. For this website I'm working on, I use name.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already pulled up my domain provider and it's name.com. So it's going to be a little bit different, but basically the same process depending on who your provider is. The main thing you need to look for is the DNS zone editor. That's where you can fix this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my domain provider. Okay, I logged into my provider, and what you want to normally look for is the DNS zone editor. So for name.com, I need to go over to my domains, my list of domains. Okay, so in this particular provider, I just have one domain, and to get to the DNS zone editor, I'm going to click on these three dots here to the right. Once you do that, this is what you want to look for: manage DNS records. If you're not able to find this particular section with your provider, just get on the phone or chat with them and ask them how to update the DNS records for your domain. So I'm going to click here. Okay, so this is the DNS editor. So basically what's happening when your www is not showing up, usually that's caused because you have your domain with one provider, like me on name.com, but the actual website is hosted somewhere else. So maybe a different provider like GoDaddy, Wix, Squarespace, something like that. So generally we're going to add what's called A records. These are the records here on the left. A record is going to point my domain to where it's being hosted. So this particular website is hosted with Samcart. So I point my A records to Samcart. You can see right down here. So in order to have the www version pointed as well, you need to create what's called a CNAME. So with your domain provider, you need to change the type, and you can see there's all these different types of DNS. So you need to choose CNAME. And then what you're going to do is here under host, you're going to simply just type in www, and then the answer is going to be your website minus the www. So for right here, this website would be just this portion, and just paste it right in here. And then you're going to add a record. So basically what this is telling them is by default, the domain is going to route to my other provider. And it's also saying that this version of the www.website.com should also open up on this root domain right here. Now, anytime you're changing around DNS records, it could take up to 72 hours to take effect. Usually it's much quicker than that. So when I am checking to see if it's taken, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pull a www version of my website, but a lot of times it's not going to show up immediately. But if you want to check the progress, I usually go to this particular website. It's called whatsmydns.net, and you can go ahead and type in your website. So let's say amazon.com, and then you can search. And what it's going to do is going to show you if it's propagated through various servers throughout the world. So if you go to your website and it has all these X's, that means it's not propagated through the servers throughout the world. And then after you check the root domain, you want to go ahead and try the www website version and search. Okay, you can see this version, the majority of them are green, so it's already propagated, obviously, since it's a very poor website. But if you type in the www version and you see mostly red, you're going to have to give it some more time. So just check back in maybe like an hour or 2 hours. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering why the www version of your website is not showing up, that's usually the main cause. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.